Hari, in this video I'll show some of the features of learningapps.org. Open the browser, type www.learningapps.org. Once you type the link, you will get the first page of that site. The first page contains the important button login. You can click the login button. It will ask you to create new account. So we have to create new account by clicking register new account. Since I have already created that, I am just typing the username and password and getting into login. So if you are new user, you have to first create new account. Okay, once it is done, it's ready. Now we can either use the apps which are already created by somebody, or we can create new app. I'll show both these features here. So these apps are actually used for education in the way of game. Example, now browse apps, click browse apps. And there are lots of categories. You can choose any one subject. Now let me choose English. So not only that, you have to choose some more. You have to learn about these features also. Here, language. You can set the language feature. Now it's English, and the category is English. You can select anyone, and the level also you can adjust. Now for primary, you can adjust that. Okay. Now once it is done, now for example, now I have chosen English. So you can of course choose anyone. So now I have chosen wild animals. It's already done. These are the apps which are already done for you. You can also of course create app. So now the task is matched. Okay. Now click on this, like memory testing. So like card game. Okay, now it's matched. Then you can click on anything else, and this is how it works. And students also will feel interested. They feel like a game way. Okay, then the next is again you can go to another section. Now I'll choose history. Okay, now you can choose any one topic. You can of course increase the level or decrease the level. And now biology. Now let me choose primary. There, human digestive system. There also you can select the matching parts, that is human digestive system. It is there. Choose the correct name of the given organ by clicking on the pin and select the name. So you have to just click on the name of pin, and this is like game, but at the same time the students can learn the parts of digestive system. There are many apps inside this. So these are all available inside browse apps. So under browse apps, choose the category, level as well as English. It's already chosen the language. Now I'll show how to create a new app. So you can explore many things inside this. Now let me show how to create a simple game. So that these are the basic steps to create an app. First you must have a thorough idea. Then we have to pick a template. Then the contents. Then save it. Last we have to share it to the children. Once we share it to children, they will be able to answer it. So now let me choose a game. Okay, now I'm going to create a pairing game. Okay, there are many examples already created, many examples. Now I'm not going into that. Now I'm going directly to create a new app. There you can we can type a title, match the names, select the type of things. You can choose any one description. Then the cards, the size of the cards, it can be medium, large or small. Now I have chosen now medium. Then these are the things which you have to do very clearly. First one, pair. So now let me choose image. You can choose text also. There we can directly choose image from internet. From internet itself we can search, or from the available pictures, or from the folder from your system you can choose. Now I am searching for the image, computer. Okay, search will show you the available pictures. You can choose any one. Okay, use this. Once it is done, the image is ready here. You can keep the mouse over it and check it. Okay, then the next is which one has to be paired with this image. There, text to speech is also a very good feature. Now you click text to speech and type the word. This is for lower class students. Okay, then this is one question, that is the computer picture should be matched with this word. You can add another element. Now I am adding another element, image. And now I am searching for, okay, let it be elephant. Okay, this is elephant. Now text to speech. animal, or even you can type the word elephant. Then add another element, image. Okay, it's already done. Then the second part, of course, you can give another matching image or a matching text or text to speech. Now I am typing the word bird. Okay, it's okay. You can make it choose any one of the option. It's up to you. Let the card stay visible or whatever maybe. Then finally feedback. Oh wow, or something like that. Wow. Okay, then finish editing and show preview. Now here comes the final session. This is what you have created. Now once you are done with this, your game is ready. And this is what you gave their task. Select the type of things. Okay. Click the card. Then you can click the matching thing. Just it will pronounce also. See, now you click it. It's already matched.
Computer. Bird.
So, okay, then you have to choose the correct one.
Bird.
It's okay. Then choose
computer.
Okay, wow, you got the message. That's how it works. And you can of course save the app. You can create any number of apps and all those apps can be saved here, and pick the My Apps option. All the created games apps will be there. This whatever is created by whatever games are created by you, it will be there. You can of course create classes and assign the activities inside that. So there are two main features inside that. One is the browse activities which are already done for you, or you can of course create the app for your children. The next important part is how to share this game to children. So for that you have to move to the bottom, select the web link, just copy it and send it to children via mail or WhatsApp. Then children, when they click on the link, they will get this game and they can work on it. This is how it works. Like this, if you want to share the already created apps by somebody else, the same procedure. You can click on that. You can click on any game which you want and just open that, and you will be able to see the link here at the bottom. Just select it, mail it or WhatsApp it to children. They will get this game on their screen once they click the link. Thank you. Thank you. Please make use of this app. This app will be very helpful, especially during these online sessions.